Hey tech fans, welcome to Tech Review, and this is Gani. In this video, I'm gonna unbox OnePlus 8 smartphone. So without wasting the time, the intro begins now.
Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting techie videos, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up.
Here we have the box. So let's break the seal and see the specs given on the box. The OnePlus 8 comes with a 6.55-inch Full HD AMOLED screen display, 90Hz refresh rate, and 3D Corning Gorilla Glass protection. 2.84 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 865 5G processor runs on Android 10, supports dual SIM. The 48 megapixel rear camera with a Sony IMX586 sensor, f1.75 aperture, 16 megapixel ultra wide 116 degrees camera with f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture, 16 megapixel front camera with Sony IMX471 sensor, f2.45 aperture, in display fingerprint scanner, USB Type C, and 4300 mAh battery of 30 watts fast charging, and audio with dual stereo speakers, supports Dolby Atmos. Let's open it and see inside what we get. First we get the phone. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get. Here we have some documentation. Warranty card. Quick start guide. SIM tool and other stuff. We get a silicone cable designed as never settled. USB Type C cable with a good length. A 30 watts charger of 5 watts and 6 ampere power, and nothing else given. Now let's keep this all stuff aside and let's see the mobile. Here we have the mobile. Let's unwrap it and see. There is a triple camera setup, of 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. It comes with a curved display with AMOLED screen. Let's boot it up. And here we have the front camera, volume rockers, a light slider. It comes with a front and back corning glass protection. At the bottom there is a speaker grill, type C input and a SIM slot. It comes with a dual nano SIM slot. I'm warning you guys that this phone doesn't has any IPS rating. It means no waterproof, so use it away from water. Let's set up the fingerprint. Here we have the overview of OnePlus 8. Let's see its camera performance and take some shots. Here we have 48 megapixel shots. Macro shots of 2 megapixel. That's all for today guys. I hope you like the video, so please subscribe and help me to monetize my channel. Thanks for watching.